In this video, I will show you how you can fix verification required App Store problem on any iPad. Now, this error mainly happens when your payment method expires. Now, if you have purchased any subscription and if you have linked that subscription with a payment method, when your payment method expires or stops working and the app tries to charge you, you will face this error. Because if you do not cancel the subscription, you will be charged for your subscription when you update the payment method. Now, to cancel any unwanted subscription, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Subscriptions. Now, over here, you will find all your subscriptions. Now, just select the subscription which you want to cancel, then tap on Cancel Subscription. After that, just tap on Confirm to cancel any unwanted subscription. Now, after you have cancelled all your unwanted subscriptions, then just go back to the Apple ID settings. Now, over here, just tap on Payment and Shipping. Now just tap on Add Payment Method. Now over here, just add a new payment method if your old one has expired. And after you do that, you will fix the verification required problem for your App Store. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.